Currently recording with the Xiaomi Mijia phone gimbal and the Smart as a Nut Pro 2, and let's see what we got. So let's start unboxing this bad boy. This is a white box. There's really not much here on the box except for a couple of specs on the back with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 476 grams at 2.5 watts. So really basic stuff. Let's open the box up and see what we have inside. And now here we have the gimbal itself. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And first here we have a manual, and that is going to be the QR code for the app. The manual's done completely in Chinese, so unless you read Chinese, it's not going to do much good to you. But then there are pictures, so you can tell what they say also. And here we have a cable, and what is that? That is a micro USB cable, okay? And this is the actual gimbal itself, and there's nothing else on the box, I don't think. Let me double check just to make sure. Nothing else in the box. Let's look at the gimbal itself. So this is the gimbal itself. It looks pretty ordinary, really. It looks pretty much like any other gimbal you would find. And the build quality of this gimbal, well, so here it's plastic with a rubber at the back that you can feel. It feels okay, and you can feel that the gimbal is pretty smooth to rotate. However, this right here is not metal. Most other gimbals that I've used, including the Mijia gimbal for the action camera, that had a metal, the metal rotating parts, but these here are plastic. I'm not sure how that's going to affect the performance of the gimbal, but we'll just have to test it out and see what it's like. But in the meantime, we'll just have to settle with the fact that it's going to be plastic here, going to be plastic here, and plastic. Like the entire thing is pretty much plastic. On the handle here, you have your little gimbal joystick. You have your power button, a snap for a picture mode, and in the back here you have plus, minus, and manual exposure, which I'm guessing you'll probably need the app if you want to adjust those. And finally here is the actual micro USB port itself. And yeah, so this thing cannot charge your phone, unfortunately. So the little power bank in here is exclusively for the gimbal itself. There is no plug here to charge. There is just a little slot for your cell phone, and that's about it. So let's power this thing on and see what we got. All right, so turning this thing on, you're going to press the button right here, and you can hear that little tone that shows that it's powered up. And then you can see that there's a little LED light here to show you that this is how much battery is left. And you can see that it's going to compensate for any movements that I have. And I will show you what it's like in real life as I continue doing that. But yeah, so looks like it works okay, but if you tilt it too much, obviously, then it's going to have to compensate. And then you can use this loaded joystick to push it up or to push it down, which is going to be fairly helpful, especially when you're in the field and you're trying to record something cool. And then when you long press this button over here, it turns off again. And there, it's completely gone. Now it's limp and everything. So that was a quick overview of the Mijia gimbal that I just showed you, a quick unboxing. And I will have a full review of this product coming up as soon as possible. But in the meantime, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and be sure to hit the little notification bell to make sure you're notified of any of the latest videos that come out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.